What's up, guys? I want to make a quick video today about, actually, I want to make a video about a couple of things. This video is going to be about my GoPros, and my next video, which I'm going to do it using my 360 camera. You'll see why when you see my next video. But anyway, I wanted to talk to you about something. As you know, in my last video that I sold and got rid of a lot of my cameras, and there's a reason why I did that. I sold them, got rid of them. I got a couple left, but most of them I got rid of because I just figured it's just too. I just had too many. And what I want to tell you is this, guys. Don't waste your time with always getting the new. The thing is that when you see these other YouTubers and you see, oh, they got this new car, they got this new bike, they got this new camera, I feel like they try to convince you that to be better at this or to be like the cool kids, you gotta buy the new camera or the new thing. But that's not the case, guys. I'm going to let you in on a secret. I'm going to let you in on what I do. I'm talking to the people who don't have a lot of money. I'm talking to the people who is an everyday, father, son, family man, whatever, the normal everyday guy that can't afford to go get all new stuff, can't afford, to splurge on things that just really they don't really need or have to have, or their priorities are different than other people. You got to be careful, because when you're watching a lot of these YouTubers and a lot of people, they're single, or they live with their mom and dad, or they're YouTube celebrities, but they don't have families and things like that. Their priorities are just what they got and things like that. But I'm going to let you know this. With me, I'm a guy who finds deals, and that's what I've been known for. You ask a lot of people, they'll tell you, when I want something, I will get it. No matter how much it is, how big it is, how small it is. If I really want it, I'm going to get it. But I'm not going to go to the store and buy it brand new. So I'm going to get y'all my secret a little bit on what I do and things like that. First of all, I used to have the Sony GoPro. I used to have the Sony action cameras. I had GoPros. I've had, Drift Ghosts for moto vlogging. I've had all of them, right? Now, when the new Heroes came out, I still have my old, Hero 3 Black, and it did me fine. I have no problem with it. But I have to step up my game a little bit, and I didn't want to spend money on buying the Hero 7. So I went on Facebook, just kind of browse around, and I found this is the Hero 6 right here. Came in good condition, has a case and everything. I got this camera for $150. This thing goes 250 or plus. You know what I'm saying? So no, I didn't go out there and go to the store and buy a brand new 7 that's like $300, $400, $500, whatever. I'm not gonna do that. And then after I got this, I said, well, I need another one for my wife's camera. So for her helmet, because she does more vlogging, so I picked up this. This is the Hero 5. Guess how much I got this one for? Got this for $100. Yeah, $100 for a Hero 5. I mean, they both run 4K. One's maybe different. Yes, I would love to get the 7, but you know what? I have a 6 and a 5. I can wait for the 7 later. If I really want it. If I feel like I need to upgrade my videos and stuff like that, I will get it. But for right now, these two cameras are good enough for me. Then I got the Hero Session 5. I got this thing for like $60. $60 for a Hero Session 5. They don't even make these anymore. So, 4K, dude, got this on a good deal. And I got the Hero session 4. I got this one for like I think I got this one for like $30. Yeah, I got it like $30. The thing is like this. No, are they brand new out the case? Went to the store and got it? No. Are they the newest release and stuff like that? The 7? No. But you know what it is? It's affordable. It's good quality, and dude, I got a hell of a deal. Why would I not take it? Because people in their mind, which I don't understand, is they see somebody and they think they have to go get it new. You don't have to get everything new. Now, of course, there's going to be times you're going to run into places, into things that might not work out. But you always have to remember this number one rule. And I'm going to tell y'all a secret. This is, don't tell nobody. The number one rule on buying things is if, for instance, I bought this camera, this Hero 5, and say I used it and didn't like it, and I bought it for $100, and I said, well, I don't like it, but I want to get rid of it. I could probably sell a camera right now for $200, so I could double my money. You know what I'm saying? So the thing you need to realize is this: whatever you buy, I don't care if it's car, motorcycle, clothes, I don't care what it is. If you buy something and it doesn't work out, make sure you either when you can sell it and make your money or make a profit. Don't ever buy stuff that you're going to buy and you're going to lose money. Now again, everything is not going to happen that way, but have I been burned? Yes. Have I bought stuff that didn't work and lost money? Yes, I have, but that's rarely ever happened to me. If I look at something and I say to myself, well, this doesn't work out, A, can I sell it? B, if I sell it, can I get my money back? If I can't answer those two questions, or those questions are going to be a no, then I won't buy it. You know what I'm saying? So even if it's a really, 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 really good deal, I still won't buy it, because I don't want to get stuck with something that I can't use, or stuck with something that's like I can't get rid of. You know what I'm saying? So I got these cameras for a good deal. Now I'm gonna start doing 360 work cameras, and I've had the 360 Fly, decent camera, but really can't really use it that well. And I've been trying to use it, and it's just something I just really am not gonna really. It's gonna work for me. So what I ended up getting was, I ended up getting the Samsung 360. I guess 360 gear camera. So far, I love this camera, and I got this camera for $40 with shipping. Yeah, $40. If I sell this camera right now, I'll probably get it for like 60, maybe $70. So I was like, you know what, this is an awesome camera. I'm gonna start using it. I've tested it and stuff like that, and I can make 360 video and put on my YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. So I'm going to do my next part of this video, which I'm going to show you something that you're going to love. But this is what I got it for. So I got this, and the crazy thing is I got this for $40, right? And this guy says, well, you know what? Why just have one? We can get two. So I ended up getting the newer version of the 360 camera. So now I have two of them, and I will use both of them. Yes, I will. So hopefully, in my mind, this will go how I want it to go, where I can do 360 video and just do a bunch of different stuff with it. Because here's the thing. The motovlog platform is saturated, and everybody, the bigger YouTube channels, they are set already. But someone like me who's trying to grow, trying to do something, you gotta find something different. You gotta say to yourself, what makes you different? And I'm gonna tell you what makes me different. What makes me different is A, I find good deals. B, I try to save your life. And C, I'm trying to video differently than all the other people do. Not many people are gonna video on 360, but I'm gonna try. So guys, just remember, when you're out there, you don't have to get new. When you're out there, if you have a vision, you keep with that vision, but don't go bankrupt over that vision. Just do your best to make sure your priorities are straight, and make sure that you take care of home first. Then after that, if you have extra money, time, whatever, then you can do stuff like this. But always remember, just because someone says you should do something, it doesn't mean you have to go do it. I know it sounds hypocritical, but I'm just trying to be a real influencer, a real person that tells you how real life works, not somebody who's throwing stuff in your face and saying, "Oh, do this, get that, look at me, I'm cool." So, if you value yourself by what you have, then you're worthless. I'm just telling you now, just worthless. So guys, with that, I'm going to make my next video. Y'all stay tuned. I'm telling you, you're going to love this one. I promise.